Hi everyone, it's Alan here, and I've created another Android application. It is a basic map application to show the location, our current location. So I'll just demonstrate the application to you. When we open the app, we get this map is loading, and we get a network provider, and the location is changed. See, initially when I open the app, we can find that we are somewhere in Africa. Already the map is loading, and when we get the network provider, we get our current location, and I can zoom in and it shows Coimbatore there. Alright, so yeah, we get our current location. So this is basically our app. I'm going to show you the code for this. Alright, so this is a main activity. This is not a regular empty activity, but then this is a map activity. We need to use map. Here we're using two things: the Google Map object and location manager. A location manager is basically a class that provides access to the system's location services. So that's why we use the location manager, and our class, the map activity class, it extends fragment activity and also implements two interfaces called location listener and on map ready callback. Alright, so in our onCreate method, we use the support fragment, and we create an object for that and get the support fragment, and we pass this map, which is our XML file. So this is basically our XML file, and here's where our map will load. We also have a Google Maps underscore API. We need to use a Google Maps API key to get this. And so yeah. Next, when our map is ready, what we're going to do is we're going to toast. I'm saying map is loading. Okay, and then using this lat long object, we're getting setting latitude and longitude to some random this thing, and then now using a location manager, which is a class which helps us get location services. We use that, and we provide the current location. This is done using the GPS or using our network provider as well. So this is the code. So if it's checking for permissions, if all these permissions like access find location and permission granted and access course location, all these permissions are granted, and it will proceed. Okay, it goes down to our GPS provider, and this our location manager dot request location updates. This takes in GPS provider as a parameter, and the time and the distance. I mean the distance and the time. So for every 1 second, it's gonna refresh the location, and it's gonna update with our location. Okay. Otherwise, if the GPS doesn't fails us, GPS fails us, we can go to our network provider using the location dot is provider enabled location manager dot network provider, and using the network provider also we can get our coordinates. So, and once our location is changed, so in this on location change method, what we're going to do is we're going to toast a message saying our location is changed. That is, if we move our if we move our device 1 meter, our location is going to change. And this geocoder, this class geocoder, this is a process of converting addresses, like huge addresses. It converts to coordinates and gives us. Okay, so that's what the geocoder does, and so the geocoder is going to get it's going to make use of two things: latitude and longitude. And using this lat long, we get the latitude and longitude, and we set it to that object. And then we put that in a try catch method. The address, we store this latitude longitude using the geocoder, and we put that in address. And then this address, we pass it to a marker. The marker is going to have this data. That marker is that red blip which comes on top, so that's gonna show us the address, and we're using a camera object to move and see that map. So this is basically a map activity, and thanks for watching.